and welcome to Some Cream in Your Coffee and a little rose in your morning. Well, it's quote day. I got some quotes for you. I got some quotes for you. That's right. It's the middle of the week, so it's time to get you inspired so you can stay inspired. And this quote is from Dr. Seuss. Who doesn't love Dr. Seuss? Let's hear it up for Dr. Seuss. Yes, Dr. Seuss. So there are so many fabulous quotes by him, but this one is from one of his books called Oh, the Places You'll Go. And I really wanted to do the whole book, but it's really long. So I'm just going to do just a snippet from Dr. Seuss from Oh, the Places You'll Go. So let's begin. You have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes, you can steer yourself in any direction you choose. You're on your own and you know what you know, and you are the guy who'll decide where to go. Dr. Seuss, that's right. You can decide what you want your reality to be like and where you want to be. Once again, as I always said, we can't control the things that go on around us, but we can control our reaction to things and what we can do about the things that we'd like to have happen in our lives. So, don't sit around and frown and get all down on things you can't control. Take the bull by the horns. Get inspired. Start focusing on the things that you want to happen in your life. And then take those baby steps and steer. That's right, steer yourself in the direction for the life that you want to lead. So, I'm hoping you have a most inspirational quote day, and I'm sending you so much love, light, peace, joy, bliss, and sunshine all the way from West Hollywood, California. Bye!